Good evening and welcome to ATN Live India. You are watching ATN Express with Juma. Niger government confirms 137 dead in village attacks near Mali. About 18,000 people have been evacuated in Australia's worst flooding in almost half a century. WHO global coronavirus deaths rise for the first time in 6 weeks. Afghan Foreign Minister calls on NSA. Dovul discusses bilateral regional cooperation. South Korea began the nationwide vaccination of people aged 65 and above at nursing homes and hospitals on Tuesday. The Philippines Department of Health reported on Tuesday 5,867 new COVID-19 infections. China has summoned the European Union's ambassador to protest against the sanctions imposed on Chinese officials over the human rights violation in Xinjiang. Australian PM promises to improve treatment of women in politics. Pakistan, as the COVID-19 positivity rate in Pakistan is so on consistent rise, several cities of Punjab have resorted to a micro-smart lockdown to rein the spread of the pandemic. Mexico thanks Indian government for sending 8,70,000 COVID-19 vaccine. All above the age of 45 to be vaccinated from April 1st, says Jadikar. PM Modi to visit Bangladesh on the eve of Bangladesh 50th Independence Day on 26th of March as the honoured guest will not only be a diplomatic tour but also a bridge of the cultural connect of the two countries. MP Navneet Rana writes to PM Modi Amit Shah demanding proof on Sena MP's threat. Toxic fumes from 12 thermal plants kill 218 in Delhi, 681 NCR each year, according to a study. Stalin accuses AIADMK of double standards on CAA, says won't implement law if DMK comes to power in Tamil Nadu. Jaishankar holds talks with Afghanistan Foreign Minister, discusses Afghan peace process. India-Pakistan to hold talks on Indus Water Treaty today. Over 100 spectators were injured after a stand collapsed during the 47th Junior National Kabaddi Championship in Telangana on Monday. Opposition leaders in Bihar Legislative Assembly, reporters threw chairs on the table, climbed on the table, did not even listen to the speaker. RJD Vidhan Sabha March. RJD outrage on the streets of Patna, Tejasvi taken in custody and Tej Pratap. Bihar politics, Tejasvi attacks CM Nitish Kumar for unemployment and crime, said he needs to show a mirror. Mukesh Sahni's attitude, said, what is the meaning of the tone and political offers they received? You also know. RJD and CPI ML uproar over special armed police bill in Bihar Assembly. Proceedings adjourned. Sushil Modi's big attack on Sharad Pawar. NCP Supremo receiving tainted ministers in Maharashtra like Lalu. RJD Vidhan Sabha March. Dozens of injured between RJD, stone peddling and lathi charge. That's all for today. For more news and updates, keep watching ATN Live India. Good night.